G-Shock are helping you smash your New Year's fitness goals with new additions to their GBD and GBA lineups. I'm unboxing the GBD 200SM 1A5, which comes in a full resin build that houses an impressive LCD screen. This watch is perfect for working out for a few reasons. Firstly, it's super light, weighing in at just 58 grams. The screen has great contrast, which means it's going to be really easy to read while on the move. And packed in this watch are a bunch of features, including a step counter, countdown timer, and a target alert setting, which, for instance, will let you set how far you want to run or how many calories you wish to burn, and alert you when you've reached that target. You can also connect this watch to your phone via Bluetooth with the G-Shock Move app, where you can access all the settings and your unique workout data. Here I am going through some of the features. It's super easy to time yourself with just the push of a button. And here I am showing the step counter, which allows you to see daily steps graphed on a weekly and monthly basis. The resin band is super comfy, and on the wrist this watch wears really well. In classic G-Shock fashion, it measures about 50 millimeters across the face, but as the watch is really lightweight, it doesn't feel so large. It's everything you want from a workout / fitness watch, and it even comes in a couple different colors. This is the GBD 200SM 1A6, which comes in a sleek midnight purple colorway. Athletes who prefer a more subtle appearance might choose this over the more ostentatious look of the 1A5. If you're after that classic round G-Shock style, the GBA 900SM 7A9 might be the one for you. With similar exercise data features and the same type of resin band, this watch is going to afford a similar experience as the GBD watches, but with a tougher exterior and of course including the analog hands. Personally, I love the textured face, which has an almost carbon fiber appearance, and it contrasts well with the lime green accents. So there you go. If you're in the market for a digital watch that will help you reach your New Year's fitness goals, look out for a G-Shock. You can find these watches and many more online at watchdepot.com.au, or just click the link in the description.